Hey there, amazing souls. It's your mentor here, and I'm so excited to dive into today's topic: how to master teen triumphs by crafting a powerful morning routine for success. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uplifting content. Now let's jump right into today's video. Today we're going to talk about something that can truly set the tone for your entire day: crafting a morning routine that propels you towards success. Trust me, I've experienced the game-changing power of this firsthand. But before we dive in, let me share a bit about my journey and how a powerful morning routine transformed my life. It's not just about waking up early, it's about setting intentional habits that shape your path. Rise and shine early. Discover the benefits of waking up early and how it can give you a head start on conquering your day. I'll share some practical tips to make it a breeze. Nourish your mind and body. Explore morning rituals that nourish your mind and body, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. This is your time for self-care and growth. Goal setting and visualization. Unlock the power of goal setting and visualization techniques. I'll guide you through creating a vision board and setting achievable goals for ultimate success. Incorporate physical activity. Discover the energy-boosting benefits of morning exercise and how it can elevate your mood and productivity throughout the day. Remember, your morning routine is uniquely yours. It's about creating habits that align with your goals and make you excited to tackle the day. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you'll add to your morning routine after watching this video? Share it in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs that morning motivation. Until next time, rise and shine, you beautiful souls.